We shift our focus now to the story of the day. While we're talking about Ganesh Mahotsav, which is taking place as Ganpati is bid farewell from temples and homes. It's the day of Ganesh Visarjan. And in Mumbai, all the colors and festivities are seen. You can say that elaborate processions, people dancing to the tunes of popular songs, idols being taken for immersion. It's a festive atmosphere. Security also has been tightened in important procession routes of Ganesh Visarjan in Mumbai, Pune and other cities of Maharashtra. CCTV cameras have been installed. Cops have also issued traffic advisory in the view of Ganesh Visarjan in Mumbai. My colleague Kamlesh is at Girgaon Chowpatty and Mayuresh is following the famous Lal Bagh Raja temple. Let's take a look at their reports.
The Ganpati immersion procession has started, and behind me you can see this is Ganesh Galli Ganpati, is also known as Mumbai's Raja. The Ganesh Galli Ganpati always gets the first honor to come out of the pandal and start the procession, and all the Lal Bagh Ganpati follows Ganesh Galli Ganpati because he gets the first honor to come out of the pandal and start the procession, and the last one in Lal Bagh is Lal Bagh Raja. And you can see the atmosphere over here is really electrifying. Though it was raining since morning, also Met Department has said that throughout day Mumbai may experience the heavy rainfall. But atmosphere over here, people are really eager, people are really enthusiastic, and the rain has not hampered the procession of Ganpati. This procession from here will go towards Girgaon Chowpatty. It will take them almost 10 hours to reach at Girgaon Chowpatty. This procession, right now we are in the Lal Bagh. From Lal Bagh it will go towards Vaikala and then it will go towards Girgaon Chowpatty. Today more than 50,000 policemen are on the road. They are on the road. Also Mumbai police is keeping eye with the help of 4 drones over Mumbai. And you can see the atmosphere here in Ganesh Galli is really electrifying. In Mumbai with camera person Prathamesh, Mayuresh Kanpate for India Today.
The event of Ganesh Visarjan has started, and it started with a big bang by Mumbai Raja. We are standing at Lal Bagh location at Ganesh Galli, and the statue that you are seeing, idol of Lord Ganesha, is Mumbai Raja. It's 22 feet high. It's one of the tallest Ganesh Murti in Mumbai. You can see the people enjoying, they are celebrating, they are taking Lord Ganesha to Girgaon Chowpatty, and it's been told by people that it reaches by midnight or early in the morning by tomorrow. So definitely it travels long distance, and it travels at many locations in Mumbai where all the devotees of all the castes and religions, they come out and they take the blessing of Lord Ganesha. So once the Mumbai Raja is out, then slowly Lal Bagh Raja and many other big Ganesh idols, they come out for the Visarjan. With cameraman Kiran Sapkar, this is Rajat Singh in Mumbai for India Today.
Well, Mumbai is known for the Ganesh festival. We have noted down 5 famous Ganesh pandals for you to take you through it. You have Lal Bagh Raja, which is the location is Lower Parel, very famous idol which was established here in 1934. 15 lakh devotees per day at Lal Bagh Raja, and this Lal Bagh Raja immersion will start around 10 a.m. The procession is so long because it's on the streets of Mumbai. People are paying their respects, and there's a lot of dancing and festivity that it takes up till evening for Lal Bagh Raja to reach Girgaon Chowpatty. My colleague Mayuresh is at the spot. Let me go across to Mayuresh. The festive fervor around you. Take us through how Mumbaiites are celebrating Ganesh farewell today.
Certainly, it's a 10-day festival which is getting over today, and everyone is enthusiastic over here. Right now I'm standing in Lal Bagh, and the procession of Ganesh procession or immersion procession has started. As we saw that the Ganesh Galli always gets the first honor to come out of the pandal, and after that every pandal of Lal Bagh follows the Ganesh Galli. Right now I'm standing just outside the Lal Bagh Raja pandal. We are expecting that Lal Bagh Raja pandal immersion process will start somewhere around 10:30. And here more than 15 lakh people are expected in Lal Bagh, particularly this area, as everyone wants to have a glimpse of a Lal Bagh Raja over here. Where right now I'm standing, it's just outside Lal Bagh Pandal, and even we can see that heavy security of a police over here. It's a police job to manage the crowd over here because everyone wants to see the Lal Bagh Raja. As you clearly mentioned that 15 lakh people every day comes over here, and the same amount police is expecting. It will take more than we can say that 20 hours for Lal Bagh Raja to reach from this point to Girgaon Chowpatty, because on its route everyone wants to pay the respect. Every mandal, every chowk, the Lal Bagh Raja waits, the people comes, and then the aarti happens at every point. So certainly that's why it takes so long to reach from here to Girgaon Chowpatty. Usually it's a distance of not 7 to 8 kilometers, but it takes more than 20 hours this procession. Back to you, Devina.
All right, be with us, Mayuresh. We're going to come to you once again, because let me take our viewers to the list of pandals that we have got for them in Mumbai. So first we talked about Lal Bagh Cha Raja. Now you have Ganesh Gali Mumbai Cha Raja. My colleague Virendra earlier reported on this. It's the oldest mandal, which has been founded in 1928 and has the honor of being the first Ganpati in the list of idols before Lal Bagh Cha Raja to be for the procession to be taken through Ganesh Gali. And its speciality is that it was founded by the mill workers in 1928. Then you have Khetwadi Ganraj. The mandal was established in 1959, so that's number 3 on the list as well. And this particular Ganpati has set record for highest Ganesh idol, about 40 feet back in 2000. We have Kamlesh, who's joining us right now from Girgaon. That's the place where many Mumbaikas now go to with their own personal Ganpatis also for Ganesh idol immersion. Now, Kamlesh, as we come to you, keeping these visuals on our screen of Lal Bagh Cha Raja and how the devotees are around Lal Bagh Cha Raja as prayers continue. Kamlesh, there's been a lot of focus this time on eco-idols so that the environment is not impacted. How is the trend that you're seeing at Girgaon when many people are coming in? Are they using eco-friendly Ganesh idols?
Well, indeed, eco-friendly Ganesha was perhaps the theme of this Ganpati festival, with not only the government appealing people to install eco-friendly idols, but also people taking initiatives, and smaller mandals even going for eco-friendly.
We'll try and connect with you, Kamlesh. Some audio difficulty we're experiencing. Let me take this question to Mayuresh as we stay on the visuals that are coming from Lal Bagh Cha Raja, one of the highly revered Ganpati in Mumbai, with about 15 lakh devotees that visit the pandal every year when it's set. Mayuresh, there's been a constant focus on the eco-friendly Ganeshas. How are you seeing the trend this year? And also take us through what are you seeing around you? How many devotees are lined up to pay the last respect to Lal Bagh Cha Raja?
Certainly, particularly you ask about the eco-friendly Ganesha. This time, a lot of people have brought this eco-friendly Ganesh idols at their place or made of clay. Even if you go further, that people are using the artificial ponds which have been created by the BMC and the local authorities across the city to immerse these idols. They don't want their idols to get immersed in the sea, and after that, whatever the repercussions which happens, everyone knows. But this time, the trend is that the people are immersing their Ganesh idols at artificial lake. I'll ask my camera person Swapnil to show you exactly what is happening over here right now. We are at Lal Bagh. You can see that particular pandal, the red pandal. This is the waiting line. That is the place where bang opposite that place the Lal Bagh Raja will come out from the main gate, and that's why people are that particular pandal are waiting since 2 a.m. in the morning. As you heard that 2 a.m. in the morning, a lot of people are waiting, and slowly, gradually, once the clock moves towards 10 a.m., the rush will gather over here, the crowd will gather over here, and it will be very difficult for the police also to manage such crowd. But we can see that police personnel over here are in a really large number. Devina.
Big question, what about the security arrangements? Because every year there have been incidents and stray incidents as well. When there is a procession, it's difficult to manage the crowd, not only at Lal Bagh Cha Raja, but different pandals that will showcase their Ganpatis. What has been the security arrangement this year?
Certainly, Devina, more than 50,000 Mumbai policemen are on the street today. Also, Mumbai police is taking help of 4 drones to keep eye on the city from the bird's view. So you can imagine that the 50,000 policemen are on the street today of Mumbai and the various locations. Even police have jotted down a few locations where they will be beefing up the security slowly and gradually as it needs. Also, once the procession of Lal Bagh Raja starts, it will be under heavy security of Mumbai police.
Mayuresh, thanks for joining us with all the lowdown. So let's complete the list for our viewers. Number 4 and 5 on our list for top 5 Ganesh Pandals. Right now we talked about Khetwari Ganraj, who the location is in Girgaon, and this is number 3. And number 4 you have GSP Seva Ganesh Mandal, formed by the Brahmin community in 1954. Now the speciality of this Ganesha is that real gold jewelry is used, and the idol adorns at least 60 kgs of real gold year after year. And Mandal uses eco-friendly Ganesha idol as well. That's been the theme of Ganesh Mahotsav this year across many pandals. And number 5, well, one cannot say that last, but it's certainly not the least, is Andheri Cha Raja, which was established in 1966, and it always uses elaborate themes around its pandal. And this year you have famous for using theme, you have a Karnataka Konkan temple, pardon me, which has been used as its theme as well this year, where it is Kunkeshwar temple. And Andheri Cha Raja usually is bid farewell after the Anant Chaturdashi. This one will be on September 19th. So these are top 5 Ganesh mandals for you, and the color will continue through the day. We'll keep getting you how Ganesh immersion is happening across Mumbai as Mumbaikars rejoice, bidding farewell to Ganesh.